Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Kukar Pintar. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Welcome to Kukar Pintar channel with me Hasnawati. In this session, we are going to discuss about procedure text on chapter 4, grade 9. On this material, we use this book, Bright and English from Erlangga. At the end of the lesson, you are able to identify the social function, generic structure, and language feature. And also, you are able to write a simple procedure text. So, what is procedure text? Procedure text is a text that informs us how to make or do something. There are many kinds of procedure text. They are manual, recipe, and so on. Manual text is a text that informs the readers about how to use or how to operate equipment. For example, when you buy a new smartphone, in the box you will find about how to use it. Atau ketika kalian akan membuat sebuah kerajinan atau prakarya, misalnya membuat tas, layang-layang, kemudian frame, maka kalian harus mengikuti manual atau petunjuk dengan baik agar hasilnya maksimal. In this meeting, we are going to discuss more detail about recipe. Now, look at this picture. What is it? Yups. It's a milk tea. Do you know how to make it? To make milk tea, untuk membuat teh susu, you need water, tea, milk, and sweetener. We call them as ingredients. Kita menyebut semua itu sebagai ingredients atau bahan-bahan. Beside ingredients, you also need equipments. Jadi, selain bahan-bahan, kalian juga membutuhkan alat. They are small strainer, tea mug, teaspoon, small saucepan, and tea diffuser. Okay, the last is the steps. First, boil a cup of water in a small saucepan and add tea leaves. Second, let the tea in the boiling water for 2 until 5 minutes. Then, add 3/4 cup of milk to the tea. Next, boil again the mixture of milk and tea for a minute. Finally, strain it into the large mug and add sweetener if needed. Now, let's discuss about the social function of procedure text. Jadi, perhatikan baik-baik ya. So, what is the social function of the previous text? Yes, the social function of previous text is to tell the reader how to make milk tea. The generic structure of the previous text yang tadi kita bahas, they are goal, material or ingredients, and steps. Now, let's talk about the language feature of procedure text. First, use temporary conjunction such as first, second, next, then, and finally. Temporary conjunction digunakan untuk memperjelas urutan-urutan dalam teks prosedur. Second, use imperative words. Dalam teks yang kita bahas tadi, imperative words yang kita temukan adalah boiled, let, add, and strained. Another example, contoh kata imperatif yang lain. Cut, stir, pour, and stop. Next, use adverbs to express detail of the time, place, or manner. For example, for 2 until 5 minutes. And the last, use simple present tense. Jadi, dalam membuat teks prosedur, kalian menggunakan kata kerja bentuk pertama. Alright, for your practice, open your book, page 46, and then complete this table. Let's check the answer. For the first one, temporal conjunction. What did you find for temporal conjunction in the text? Good. There are first, then, next, and finally. For the second one is imperative words. What did you find for imperative words from the text? Excellent. They are mix, add, whisk, hit, and flip over. And the last one, simple present tense. For example, mix together the baking powder, heat the frying pan, and so on. For your practice at home, make your own procedure text by using imperative sentence, conjunction, simple present tense that you have learned in this unit. That's all about the lesson. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to visit, like, and subscribe Kukar Pintar channel from Dinas Pendidikan dan Kebudayaan Kabupaten Kutai Kartanegara. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam Kukar Pintar. Do the best, get the best.